I will love you forever. I love you so deeply. I love you so much. I love the sound of your voice and the way that we touch. I love your warm smile and your kind, thoughtful way, the joy that you bring to my life every day. I love you today as I have from the start, and I will love you forever with all of my heart. The red rose whispers of passion, and the white rose breathes of love. Oh, the red rose is a falcon, and the white rose is a dove. But I send you a cream white rosebud with a flash on its petal lip tips. For the love that is purest and sweetest has a kiss of desire on the lips. Let it not your wonders move, lest your laughter that I love, though I now write 50 years I have had and have my peers, poets, though divine or men, so have loved as old again, and it is not always face, clothes, or fortune gives the grace or the further or the future or the youth, but our language and the truth with the ardor and the passion gives the lover weight and fashion. It you then would bear if you then would hear to story. First, prepare you to be sorry that you never knew till now either whom to love or how, but be glad as soon with me when you hear that this is she of whose beauty it was sung. She shall make the old man young, keep the middle As it stay and let nothing hide decay till she be the reason why all the world for love might die. There is no greater joy that I have no than when we are in passionate throws the way you make me feel cannot compare to any other feeling anywhere when you kiss my lips. There is something that filters inside. It's a feeling that I cannot name. It's like desire inside me carries, and when you touch my skin, when our love making beings, all the world melts into nothingness. It's an unbelievable feeling. I must confess, for only you know how to bring me such great pleasure. Some things one cannot just measure. Our love is just one of those great things. So much joy into my life. You bring